Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Porsche Cayenne front bumper. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a T25 Torx driver and a trim removal tool. Next, safely lift the front of your Cayenne and secure it with jack stands. This provides crucial access. Then, remove both front wheels. This step makes reaching the fender liner fasteners much simpler and safer. We're aiming for an easy, straightforward process. Now let's tackle the fender liners. Begin by removing all the screws and clips holding them in place within each wheel well. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liners. This action will reveal several hidden bolts that secure the bumper to the vehicle's frame. Don't forget to check the underside of the bumper. There are usually a few more fasteners there that need to be removed before proceeding. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: just like we're carefully removing parts, you'll want to store them safely. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your lunch fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the underside and fender liners clear, open your hood. You'll find a series of screws along the top edge of the bumper that need to be removed. Before fully detaching, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights, parking sensors, or other components. Finally, with all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper straight forward. It should release from its side clips, allowing you to carefully set it aside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.